Hey y'all, it's your girl Key and I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I installed this wig. So if y'all are interested, then definitely stay tuned. So all you will need is the Got to Be blasting free spray and the spiking glue or styling glue. And I have my tweezers, but that's because I'm going to pluck the hairline just a tad bit. It could definitely be plucked way more, but I just wanted to do just a little something, something, you feel me? Okay, so now you want to go ahead and flip your wig back, girl. And then you're gonna use the Got to Be blip. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. The freezing blast spray. And you're gonna spray some of that over like a small portion for the frontal to lay down. I'm just doing like the middle part so that I can get that like in place, and then I'm gonna move on to the sides. And then after you take the spray, then you're going to take just a little bit of the spiking gel or the spiking glue, whatever you want to call it, and then you're gonna rub that over. Some people on YouTube, well, most people on YouTube actually use their blow dryer to like kind of make it tacky. I don't feel the need to do that, so I just put the wig right on down and then I lay it down, and I usually have no problems doing that. And then you just want to repeat the same steps on the sides. Okay, so here I actually did end up having to cut the lace a little bit, even though the lace is actually too short, like, because I've worn this wig before, y'all, but it's been probably like a week, like a year since I actually like installed this wig. So yeah, I had to cut it even though it was still a little bit too short, but it's all good. I didn't want it to be bothering my daggone ear because y'all seen me struggle a little bit already with the lace getting caught on the back of my earring. Like, that stuff hurts. So yeah. And then y'all see right there, my lace is lifting up a little bit, but it's all good because it's all gonna be laid down in the end. So don't even trip, don't even trip. I got this. So what I like to do is I like to make sure that I hold down those little ear flaps like one or two more times for a couple of seconds before I take some elastic and tie that around my edges. That just ensures that everything just melts during, the little melting process. It really does help. So I definitely do that. And then in a second, y'all gonna see that my, like right there, y'all gonna see that I just moved the wig a little bit. That's one of the reasons why I don't like to make the like glue, I don't like to make it tacky, because it still allows me to be able to move it and not have like the white residue, and it still gives me the same exact hold. Okay, y'all, so y'all gonna let the elastic sit on your head for probably about 5-10 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to be taking some alcohol on like a little cotton pad, and I'm just gonna clean off any excess glue like from my face, because nobody wants extra glue on their face. So yeah. And then just because I was feeling extra, I decided to go ahead and put on some lashes. You feel me? So yeah, we just gonna ahead and complete this look right here. So it's low key a frontal install, but it's no, it's high key a frontal install, but it's low key a get ready with me, even though I'm not going no damn where. Okay, so now it's time to go ahead and take off that elastic, and my wig is melted, laid down, and intact. And that's all that matters. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray the hair down with some water because this is a wet and wavy wig. So I'm just gonna spray it down a little bit just so that it can be tamed a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges and do my eyebrows right quick. And that's all. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys took something from it. It's not really perfect, but you know, I'm definitely gonna get better at it because I actually like frontals now. So yeah, if you guys want to see me get better, then definitely stay tuned because I love hair, like duh. But anyways, don't forget to follow me on my social media. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.